Hi, roto and Koraha. Hope you're doing well. It's Mr. Brickman here, and today we're going to be having fun with some maths. So for this activity, you need to have a piece of pen and paper or a pencil and 10 objects or 10 things that you can count around the house. Okay, I've got 10 blocks that I've taken from my daughter. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but before we start, I'm going to play the little song for you.
Five little men in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Four little men in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Three little men in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Two little men in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. One little man in a flying saucer flew around the earth one day. He looked left and right, but he didn't like the sight, so that one man flew away.
Right, so as you can see, we're going to be counting numbers and we're going to be doing something called subtraction. So if you remember on that video, okay, we had, we had how many little men in the flying saucer? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had 5 little men in a flying saucer. And one of those, minus 1, flew away, which leaves us with 4 little men in a flying saucer. So we said bye-bye to one little flying man. Okay? And again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little men in a flying saucer. And again, we took away 1. Okay? Took away 1. And that leaves us with now only 3 little men in a flying saucer. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now we've got 1, 2, 3 little men in a flying saucer. And we took away 1 little man in a flying saucer. And that now leaves us with 2 little men in a flying saucer. 1, 2. There you go. We've got 1, 2 men in a flying saucer. We took away 1 of those men, so 2 take away 1. Okay, equals 1 little man in a flying saucer. 1 little man in a flying saucer. So what I'll like you to do is now use a piece of pen and paper and use your blocks, whether you're just using 5 blocks or 10 blocks or 20 blocks, and I want you to write down your subtraction and see if you can go 10 minus 1, and how many does that equal? 9 minus 1, how many does that equal? Okay, remember to take a photo and upload it onto your Habitats Hero account. And we'll look forward to seeing you really soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.